Welcome back, traders. In today's video, we're going to explore a strategy that combines three powerful indicators: moving average, relative strength index, and volume. This strategy is designed to help you spot high-probability trades and make smarter decisions in the market. Let's dive right into it. Presentation of the indicators. Before we jump into the strategy itself, let's quickly go over the three indicators we'll be using: moving average, relative strength index, and volume. Trading strategy. Now that we understand the indicators, let's talk about how we combine them into a powerful trading strategy. Time frame and market. This strategy works best on short to medium-term time frames. For example, you can use it on 15-minute, 1-hour, or 4-hour charts. It works across most markets, but we recommend applying it to foreign exchange markets or stocks, especially liquid ones with high trading volume. Buy conditions. Let's start with the buy conditions. Here's when you should consider entering a long position. 1. Price is above the 50-period exponential moving average. This confirms the market is in an uptrend, which is crucial for a buy trade. We want to be trading with the trend, not against it. 2. Relative strength index crosses above zero line from below. 3. Volume spikes. Volume needs to increase during the breakout, confirming that the move is supported by strong market participation. This shows the trend has the potential to continue. So, a trade is triggered when all these conditions align: the price is above the exponential moving average, the relative strength index crosses above 30, and we see a volume spike confirming the move. 4. Look on the chart, buy after the close of a strong bullish candle. Place your stop loss a few pips below the entry candle or in the previous swing low. Use 1:2 or above risk-reward ratio for your profit, or use the previous swing high as your profit target. Sell conditions. Now, let's talk about the sell conditions. Here's when you should consider closing your position or going short. 1. Price drops below the 50-period exponential moving average. This signals the trend might be reversing, and it's time to reconsider your position. 2. Relative strength index crosses below zero line from above. 3. Volume increases on the downside. A strong volume spike during a price drop confirms the selling pressure is increasing and the downtrend could continue. 4. Look on the chart, sell after the close of a strong bearish candle. Place your stop loss a few pips above the entry candle or in the previous swing high. Use 1:2 or above risk-reward ratio for your profit, or use the previous swing low as your profit target. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective strategy that combines the moving average, relative strength index, and volume indicators to identify high-quality trades. Remember, the key is to follow the trend, use the relative strength index to spot potential reversals, and confirm the move with volume. As with any strategy, practice is key, so make sure to test this setup on a demo account before using real money. And don't forget, always manage your risk properly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips. Until next time.